So I'm feeding the bird with the blueberry I got. But I think the bird's busy, go somewhere that I have food. Usually in the wintertime, there's a lot of birds that hungry. But in the summer, they're like, yeah, I think I'll get some fishes. And it's free, you know? Instead of waiting, to be fed by some people who so cheap, can't even run. Anyway, I'm hungry. Being a vegan is difficult, because you're always hungry, you know? Hungry, 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 hungry. Hungry, 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 hungry.